Hello everyone, I'm Shanak Baswar, doctoral student in Information Systems at the Beast College of Business in the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Today I'm going to present my paper on anti-discriminatory platform shifts and user review behavior and empirical examination. Recent years have seen a meteoric rise of sharing economy platforms, especially in the United States, where workers make on an average of $533 per month through Uber and $314 per month through Airbnb. However, shared economic platforms have been accused of competing in an unfair playing field, and in order to combat those allegations, the sustainability of this platform is important through self-regulation. And effect of one such important policy change in Airbnb's platform has been the focal point of our research. Now, one may ask why Airbnb? Mainly because it is the fastest growing capital platform amongst all sharing economy platforms. On the other hand, it accounts for 6% of hotel industry's room supply and almost 7% of its revenue. And being a disruptive player in the hotel and tourism industry, there have been very limited past researches being conducted, and we aim to discover more insight in this platform. For sake of our research, we've considered data from listings in San Francisco area because studies shown Airbnb users with distinctly African American names were roughly 16% less likely to be accepted as guests than those with distinctly white names. In order to combat with this discrimination, Airbnb launched instant booking, where once a booking is made it is full and final, and even the host can't cancel the booking at any point of time. We investigate how these instant bookable listings have impacted the ratings and the reviews by the users on the platform. The two hypotheses we have provided in our paper are: the first hypothesis, listings with instant booking feature on are likely to have a lesser reviews per month. The second hypothesis we propose, listings with instant booking feature on are likely to have a significant increase in popularity and ratings. Our dataset uses a total listing count of 5,425 listings before the policy change and 6,361 listings after policy change to carry on a difference in difference analysis. We have also done a sentiment analysis on more than 138,000 reviews being posted by reviewers on Airbnb listings in San Francisco area, apart from a few more parameters which have been considered like price, availability, and number of. The table shows the dependent variables and the independent variables we have used in our study. The dependent variables being reviews per month, average reviews post rating, and average review sentiment. The independent variable being the dummy variable instant booking, which is 1 for listings opting for instant booking and 0 otherwise. The descriptive statistics give us the overall mean and standard deviations, the standard deviation and mean before instant booking and those after booking, showing the changes for the various attributes over time. The review score ratings has been given on a scale of 0 to 100, while review sentiment has been given on a scale of -5 to +5. We have also considered topic modeling in our analysis, and what we have seen is that mostly apartment, quality of the apartment and the quality of the neighborhood are coming out as important parameters in the reviews provided by the consumers. Apart from that, the quality of the host has also come out to be important. The word cloud, in a way, it confirms with our earlier findings to topic modeling, and it shows that the parameters which are actually important for the reviewers while they're reviewing and providing the ratings, and those parameters have been location, neighborhood, the quality of the rooms, and the quality of the host. We propose a two-stage least square regression model with two instrument variables. While our first stage shows that instrument variables are significant estimators of the choice of using instant booking facility, the second stage of the model we use the estimated probability of choosing to use instant booking generated from first model, as well as the control variables as independent variables. Our final regression result shows that instant booking listings receive less reviews every month after using the feature by dropping the overall number by a percentage of 17, while the average ratings and sentiment scores for these listings have actually gone up over this time. This slide records all the numerical values of a final regression model analysis, and it shows for all the three models that instant booking has been statistically significant as an independent predictor, and it also has a negative impact on review per month, while it has a very large positive impact on average reviews post rating and a moderate positive impact on the review sentiment. So to conclude, I would say that Airbnb is becoming more like hotel, and it's losing its personal touch, which actually attracted customers over the years, and hence in a way it reduces customers' proclivity to leave a feedback. On the other hand, in a zeal to compete with hotels in similar price categories, hosts with instant bookings are getting more professional, and the quality of listings are getting better, which is reflected on the improved ratings and sentiment. So that's it for now from our side. Thank you for your time.